Guys, wanted to make a quick video here showing you the tile valve and the BMS quick install mount here and how they work together. We've had a few questions on the flange side, so I thought the easiest way to clarify it was just to make a video showing it. So this is the tile barb. This is what they suggest using, of course. And you'll see this sucker's right around 4 millimeters on the inside diameter. Obviously there's a much larger outside diameter because you'd stick a larger hose over that. So what we provide with our plug-and-play kit is this black hardline. The black hardline has a couple of advantages, which I'll go over in a second. The first thing to note is that it's the same, 4 to 4+ millimeter size as the inside barb on that line. So the inside diameter of this. Now that's going to end up going into one of these fittings. I don't know if you can see it through here, but it's much larger than 4 millimeters. So at no point will the line ever be less than 4 millimeters, which is what tile suggests with their included barb. But the real benefit of this is that it's a solid line, so it's not going to collapse under vacuum like the soft line that you would normally use on one of these flanges will. So because it's rigid, you wouldn't actually need to be 4 millimeters. You could get away with a much smaller one. It just so happens that we wanted to keep the size the same. Something else we wanted to show you, for people who are using our adapter, we provide 2 ports on it and then a cap for the end-use port. Normally you'll put our included adapter in here, or if you've upgraded to our plug-and-play line kit, which I would suggest, that fitting screws in here also. I don't have the one for this side in front of me, unfortunately. Oh, yeah, I do. Right there. Boom. Boom, boom. Now, there have been some questions for those who are using a vacuum side oil catch can. How large can we run on an 1/8" NPT? And just as a demonstration on how large you can get, we've got this piece right here. You'll see that's up to 7 millimeters. So normally, like the Robet can and our upcoming can, will include a fitting here that's smaller than this to meter the vacuum through. But if you needed to, you could go up to 7 millimeters. So hopefully that clarifies some of this stuff. And if you have any other questions on it, feel free to shoot them our way.